I sincerely believe that there is nothing truly great in any man or woman except their character, their willingness to move beyond the realm of self and into a greater realm of selflessness. Giving back is the ultimate talent in life. That is the greatest trophy on my mantle. The only way I'd worry about the weather is if it snows on our side of the field and not theirs. There's only one wizard in baseball, and that's Ozzie Smith. I may not drive in 100 runs a year, but I can prevent 100 runs from scoring against us. I don't know how many more games I can win with my defense, but I'm sure I'll win a few with my bat. Play hard, practice hard, and above all, play the game to have fun. I'm just thankful that I got the opportunity to play the game that I love for so many years. I'm proud of the way I played the game. I wasn't the best, but I always gave it my best. I'm not afraid to make a fool of myself in front of people. That's how you get good. I didn't want to be the best player in baseball, I wanted to be the best player I could be. I loved to compete. I just loved to be out there. I never had a day where I didn't look forward to coming to the ballpark. I think umpires have too much power, without any system of checks and balances, and the more money a player makes, the more the umpire tries to show off that power to him. Unfortunately, since I signed my contract, my strike zone has suddenly become a lot larger. The fans have been great to me everywhere I go, and I try to give back as much as I can. I always had fun playing the game, and that's the way I want to be remembered. No one paid attention to my offense. So having 2,000 hits is one of the things that is an accomplishment. My short game's not that good. It just becomes a matter of getting that weight moving. I always believed that if you work hard enough, you can make anything happen. When I'm in my groove, there is no thinking. Everything just happens. You win a few, you lose a few. Some get rained out. But you got to dress for all of them. You can't be satisfied with just getting there. You have to continue to get better. We hope there is a sense of purpose in everything. We saw very little of the real Jack Buck behind the microphone. He would touch people in ways that we will never know. Jack was much more than just an announcer. I don't think anybody ever really just retires where they don't do anything. I don't know how many people have ever seen the National Guard break in somewhere, but they mean business.